He must have gone on this morning. Yeah, maybe today we don't need a man. Anyone that did not go to school in this our generation, I just pity that person. You did not learn a particular skill and you did not go to school. Hey, especially a young lady, you are going to be a parasite to your husband, a burden. Because you will not be contributing positively. And no man wants to marry what do I call it? Marry a loser or a burden. No. It's either you go to school or you acquire skill to help in the family. Nothing like housewife. Things has changed. Even if the man accepts you, the family income. What about the family? And I pity those ladies. That's the peak of it.
Those kids in with their mother. Even a housewife, for her, it may cultivate positivity into mankind.
Yes. You can't give what you don't have. What will she impart in the lives of the children?
The woman, courage, why don't I wear I didn't at all?
Yes.
Only for a school, if you are not doing something,